Yeda oba de ase saa na yeda osoro ene asase so ase som abode na abode ensom enema muhu se egu table no so no eye electronics component yewo buzzer ewo hase eye 3 to 24 volts buzzer ene yewo capacitor nso so wa ha 1000 microfarad by 50 volts 1000 microfarad by 50 volts and yewo light emitting diode nso so ewo ha and yewo resistor which is 33 kilo ohms fixed resistor and yesan ewo 10 kilo ohms fixed resistor resistor bi ho a enye fixed a variable resistor. We have so many type of resistors by any the minimum can a fixed resistor ehun asem ena ye ka ehun asem ena ye wo LED bulb 12 volts LED bulb na ibisua enu hu na ade ena ye wo lithium battery nso so ewo ahase lithium battery no adofno ye ni kan enhwe resistor no resistor a muhu eye 33 kilo ohms resistor no se ubehu ne resistance ewo mu a eye colors na according on it no ena ye de calculate ni enya na resistance enti se wo hwe a colors no ye nhwe this one se ye hwe we na the colors no eye orange according to resistor color codes no orange standing for 3 and orange beam standing for 3 orange beam standing for 3 na a first and second band no multiply by the third band into no which is 3 times 10 to the power positive 3 na eno we expanding na ebe 33000 33000 na every number to the power to the positive power biano say ekoye man fan say by 3 a wo the key ene be hye ho enti no wo tre 33003 a then na watwam na the key ahye ho za na tie na wanya 33 kilo ohms resistor I fixed resistor sa ena ni amuhu na ha no so 10 kilo ohms resistor and also no according to resistor color codes no brown standing for 1 and black so standing for 0 and orange so standing for 3 enti no said the yedi kan first and second band multiplied by the third band so ebe 10 times 10 to the power positive 3 we expanding na ebe 10000 which is 1 and 0.4 eno obetro 10 na 03 no wetwam na odike ahye ho na standing for sa 03 no na wanya 10 kilo ohms fixed resistor eno ntino senior resistor enso so the definition no esitie no resistor is the opposition to a flow of electric current. So electric current flow through a drop some of the current ye behwe ni nyina na ye hu se no correct ana se enye no correct eno nti no ye nche ho no ye de lithium battery no ebe ma buzzer no na afi abo na matie sound no na ye de resistor no so ye den ate so na mahwe senia eno so ebisi ama ye sound no na ye hu bibia ewo edition no adbu technology eno no enti ye test na ya hwe lithium battery eni 3 volt lithium battery enti mama me reduce screen kakra said e be ya ibe hu ni yi eni positive eni na negative suni nti sound no so okay you see mafa we 10 kilo ohms resistor nti it means that resistor is opposition to a flow of electric current. Current na a flow through the bars no. Enam say the resistor no series nti no ateso ama sound a motie no no. Ye resistor no free so a na ye connect no direct here. Look. So it means that resistor drop electrical voltage or is opposition to a flow of what? Electric current. Yen here 33 kilo ohms no so yen here sound that be my ebo kiti because the resistance in 33 kilo ohms is higher than the resistance in 10 kilo ohms resistor. Sisi ya no yehu senior resistor esi etie ye behwe capacitor. Capacitor ni we ne friend capacitor electrolytic capacitor. Electrolytic or capacitor. Electrolytic capacitor store electrical charge. Store electrical charge. Intino ye ba behwe say store electrical charge ya na polarized. It have positive and negative. Intino say all connected to any voltage source na wa consider the polarity no. Say battery lithium battery 3 volt lithium battery. 3 volt lithium battery ena muhu no. Nti me be connect na muhu senia eno so esitie. Say mu hwe say electrolytic capacitor store electrical charge. Enti mu hwe say no kora say ye be connect bars and ama capacitor na hwe say ebe my sound ama ye sound bia ye connect ye no ama ye sound bia. Okay, ye the lithium battery no be charge no. Ye the lithium battery no charge no. So ye the charge no. You consider the polarity. Say ya charge no. Ye hwe say a store charge ne said the electrolytic capacitor the principle no kana nhwa de mate. So a good electrolytic capacitor can store electrical charge for a long period of time before it will discharge. Mate I say good technology no. It means that electrolytic capacitor store electrical charge. Good. See you be light emitting diode. So we a light emitting diode. Emit light. A semiconductor light emitting diode. So yen say emitting light ampere. This is the lithium cell. And you consider the polarity. The long terminal is positive and then the shorter one is negative. So you connect it like this and like this. You see? At least it's supposed to you need to supply 3 volts to it. That's why the lithium battery is 3 volts. You see? So it has been emitting the light. It has been emitting the light. So it light emitting that no need your laptops your computer traffic indicators no nowadays they are using light emitting diode. A very low cost and consume electrical power CBR. Good. Say no ye ba behwe ye behwe sa 12 volts LED bulb we a 12 volts LED bulb and ye ba behwe. They say na me say lithium battery no 3 volt. Lithium battery no 3 volt. 3 volt nti na bulb no so bulb we you fan ho na me hwe ni bulb we no 12 volts nti say lithium cell no 3 volt better na yatimi ama light bulb we 12 volts so it means we have to get another 3 to this one to add to this one to make 4 and 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So yɛmfa nka ho na ɛntimi empower no. Okay. So I was say a series no. We have to series the cells. You be series no. Na yetimi enya 12 volts no. So yes, here is positive, then to the negative. Okay, let me try. Now I'm going to say this is the positive. Positive ni, negative ni. I'm say intimi anya then anso. Intimi soy. Okay. Intino yen series no. We lithium battery, lithium cell. You see a series no. Namo here. Wow, and aso no. So if you want to increase the voltage, then you must series the battery to get high voltage, but the current will be the same. But what I say, any electronic gadgets, say mobile phone, say computer, say radio, say all machines say a DNA machine, lithium battery no. And a CCTV camera machines how do you store data lithium battery anyway. And so machine didn't store data, you don't like to store data. It means that the battery inside is dead. Now what's the sun? I don't know Ajibwe technology no yakwa adwuma no yabre and I was say yesuma body said the abode so ebesomanti o ya bofra e besre se wo modi na suade na fabua oman fabua uwiase na yentwe emen penifo yenye afutuo ade bia wutimi ye no efri moja ewowo ene ma wutimi ye ade pa bia wutimi ye ade pa bia wutimi ye no efri ba bia wote omom no mudi agbo penifo no monante enkwa no monante chese enipa ene ye nyemapa emanipa se de nipa ene hanipa no yenye nyemapa ma ye ho dan se e be ha ye ho Ajibwe technology no som abode na abode ensom adofo no kasa ene brain no se baabi ewo ho no ma anko yi a watwen aban Ajibwe technology na afi achirechire mu amanti ase eye adwuma bibia ewo edisu mu nti mesre se achichafo momoden na mo chirechiro na monsan mankwa no ente practicals na ase Ajibwe technology enie som abode na abode so ensom Kristo Yesu enso bia onka obia ho sese ni da nyina amen.